used to think of blue-collar work as purely manual labor, but a quiet revolution is happening that is turning these trades into high-tech careers. Imagine a plumber today. They aren't just fixing leaks, they are preventing them. New AI-driven tools listen to water pressure waves in pipes, pinpointing a failure weeks before a drop of water ever hits the floor. In electrical work, the old fuse box is dead. We now have smart load centers that analyze circuit patterns in real time. They act like a check engine light for your home, predicting fires and failures before they happen. And on the job site, the super soldier is becoming reality. Passive exoskeletons are now standard gear for overhead work, reducing muscle fatigue by nearly 50%, virtually eliminating career-ending back injuries. These aren't just tools, they are force multipliers. We are seeing a massive shift where the laborer is evolving into the technologist. The future of blue-collar work isn't about robots replacing people. It's about people becoming pilots in their own right.